always keep it G.
Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Z, and if you are into beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content with a splash of DIY, because I did make this DIY nail stand. It's still on my wall, y'all. So if you did watch that video, look, it's still on the wall. It has not, I have not taken it down, and it's being held up by a command strip. Okay, so yeah, if you're interested in DIYs, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content, definitely make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell as well, so that you can be notified for new uploads. So in today's video, you guys, we are going to be doing my updated makeup routine. It's super simple. Like, in reality, I don't wear makeup every day, but these lashes definitely, like, I definitely wear these lashes not every day, y'all. It's just like whenever I want to look put together, then I will definitely throw on some lashes and like some lip gloss or whatever. But yeah, if I really wanted to, you know, do a full makeup look, then I would definitely do this makeup look. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then definitely keep on watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you like the video as well if you enjoy it. I will definitely be very grateful if you did. But yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so before I apply makeup, I do want to prep my skin. So as of right now, I have not put anything on my skin, but I am going to go in with some witch hazel. So it's just some oil-free witch hazel toner just to prep my skin. That's what I'm gonna do now, and I'm waiting for my hair to dry as well. But I like to just go in circular motions to cleanse my skin. Next, to moisturize my skin, I'm gonna go in with the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna use to moisturize my face, because I really need some moisture, y'all. I'm kind of going for like a more dewy skin type of look, but this is definitely how I would wear my makeup, like if I did wear makeup every day, or you know, if I just wanted to I guess you can say like look more put together. To moisturize my lips, I'm just going to use this Laneige sleeping mask as well. It's really for like nighttime, but my lips are surprisingly on the drier side today, so I'm just going to put this on just like, you know, for moisture. So the last product that I'm going to use for my skin prep is, of course, sunscreen. Even though I am going to be wearing makeup, I do want to still protect my skin. So I'm going to use the Neutrogena Clear Face Sunscreen. This is a what am I saying? SPF. Why can I not say the SPF 30? It's definitely good to put underneath your makeup. And you can also use it as a primer, but I actually have a primer that I'm going to be using today. So the primer that I'm going to be using today, this is actually my first time trying this. For some reason, I did not have a primer. Like I said, I have not really been wearing makeup that often, but if I do, I just use like a moisturizer as like a primer. But I wasn't really, you know, pressed about getting a primer. So I did pick up the e.l.f. Jelly Pop primer. So this is a dewy, it's like a dewy type of primer. I do plan on buying the Milk Hydro Grip primer. I really want to try that primer out. I don't know if this primer is mixing good with the sunscreen. Next, for foundation, I'm going to use the e.l.f. CC cream. So it's not really like a full coverage foundation, but this one actually, to me, is full coverage. But of course you can probably layer it up, but I'm going for like a more, you know, a light application of makeup today. So yeah, this is the e.l.f. Camo CC cream. This one also has SPF 30 sunscreen in it too, y'all, but I feel like that's not enough, so that's why I put on my own sunscreen. But it's really good, you know, for that extra protection with the e.l.f. CC cream. To buff this out, I'm just going to use this flat top foundation brush. So nothing really special. I think this is like a set that I got from off of Amazon. So yeah, I don't really know the name of it, but it's just a regular flat top foundation brush.
Push a P. Purple paint. Pink. Push a P. 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 Yeah. Push P. Push P. Push P.
For concealer today, I am going to use the NYX Bear With Me concealer. So I got the shade Deep Golden. So yeah, this is what I'm going to use. And this is like a concealer serum.
Deep. Got rest on me. Why they watching me? I'm Push P. Push P. Push P. Push P. Yeah. Touch it. Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche. Push P. 3 P's, popcorn, Porsche. Push P. I just cup of water. Push a P, red bandana cartons. Push a P. I'ma P you out your door.
To contour with, I'm going to use this NK or like Nicka K concealer. It's the Perfection multi-use concealer. So this one has super coverage in it, but I'm only using a little bit. Basically, I'm just using this to cream contour. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And I usually don't contour my nose, y'all. Like, I just feel like it does not look right on me, so I'm not gonna do that, but I am gonna just like contour my face basically. So next I'm going to buff out the contour part first, and I'm using my favorite brush, y'all, and I just realized that like the name is gone off of it. I really need to get another one, but this is the e.l.f. stipple brush. So yeah, this is like my favorite brush. I think I've had like 2 all together, but it's time to get another one.
She ain't vanilla for me, she's simply porcelain. I never saw ops, now we finally touched.
Next, to blend out my concealer, I like to use a brush. I kind of go back and forth between like a brush and a beauty sponge, but yeah, today I'm just going to use this brush. It's just like a regular blending brush, I guess you can say. I think this is really for like eyeshadow.
Never, she ready to get in the streets for me, no questions. Too rich to text, I let my shoulder forward it. Take the P at the alphabets, try to sort it. I'm pushing P, pushing P, I'm pushing P, push P, I'm pushing P, P, push P, pushing P, pushing P, pushing P, yeah.
My nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Steal all third on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gonna cost a nigga I'm rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children.
Next, I'm going to take the same brush that I started off with. So this is like the flat top kabuki style brush that I blended out the e.l.f. CC cream, like the BB cream or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. I didn't put nothing on it, so basically I'm just about to blend out, you know, the areas where I put the contour at, just making sure everything is like blended in.
I've been spending on business and spending until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you never step or help with none of you killing. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'm whack in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were tripping, we could have been superstars.
Okay, so I'm going for like a more of like a kind of like a brighter highlight underneath my eyes. So I just recently picked up this e.l.f. brightening concealer. It's called Flawless Brightening Concealer. So yeah, I'm going to use this. It's like a pen type of situation for the concealer part. So this one is in the shade, what shade is this? So this is medium 32N. So yeah, of course I would not go all, you know, underneath my eyes with this, but I'm going to use this to go right here in the corner of my eyes, and then I'm gonna bring it towards like the end of my eye. Before I blend out the concealer, the lighter colored concealer that I put down, I'm going to like quickly do my brows. I'm just using like a regular dark brown eyeliner pencil. I believe I got this from like the beauty supply store, but it's like very simple. Like I think this was probably like $1. But yeah, I'm kind of just going more so towards the tail end of my brows because I just really want
iPhone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah.
Next, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild's Mega Clear Mascara. So it's for your brows and your lashes as well, but I'm just using this for my brows.
Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can.
Okay, so I believe my camera had cut off, so I'm not really even sure if this part had recorded. But basically, I'm just using this Airspun powder. It's in translucent. And then I'm going to take this big fluffy brush. I really like this brush to put the powder on. So yeah, this is what I'm doing now. Okay, so now that I have my powder on, it has not been on my face for too long because I don't bake. But I'm going to take the same flat top kabuki style brush, and I'm just going to lightly pat it over the areas where I had put the powder on. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the OG. Okay, so this is the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami bronzer. I like to use this to like contour my face. Basically, sometimes I won't use the cream concealer. I mean, yeah, the cream concealer that I use to contour. Sometimes I'll just go in with this. It gives you like a subtle bronze type of look, or like a subtle contour look. Take this like slender, I think this is called like a blush brush. I'm not really sure. I got this set from off of Amazon, y'all, but it's actually cracking. I really need to buy some new brushes. So I need new makeup, like all that. I don't really need it, but I would like some. So yeah, but I usually just take this like on my cheeks or whatever, just where I put the contour, to double this as like an eyeshadow too, because it's like dark brown or whatever, and it has like that red undertone to it. I just think it's perfect for like an eyeshadow look. This is like a Morphe eyeshadow brush. I think it's the Morphe M441 brush, y'all. This is like literally, I only got 2 brushes from Morphe, which I have had for a while. But yeah, we're gonna use this one, and I just like to put it into the crease of my eyes. Next, I'm going to apply some lashes. So these are like my go-to lashes. So this is the Kiss Lash Couture Luxtension. So it's supposed to make it look like you have a pair of eyelash extensions, like you went to the salon. Now I'm using a different type of product. So basically this is like a magic glue eyeliner. So it's like an eyeliner, but it doubles as like glue. So it says a magic glue eyeliner. I believe I got this from like the beauty supply store, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I'm going to use this to apply my lashes. But I'm using like a very thin layer because I don't know. I'm just hoping that this is going to come out, like it won't transfer or whatever. I just hope that like I can execute it properly.
I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to leave. You know, I wouldn't want to bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body stays.
For blush today, I'm going to use the Ruby Kisses Dare blusher. So it's like a little blush palette. I'm going to use the pink one. I really like the pink one. Sometimes I use the orange one as well. But yeah, today we're going to use the pink one. And I'm using a Real Techniques brush as well. This one is, I'm not even sure the name rubbed off, y'all, but this is what it looked like. I like to use this one to apply blush. Okay, so I am going to apply highlighter today. So I'm going to take another OG. It's the Fenty Beauty highlighter. This one is Me Money and Hustle Baby. Let me see which one I be using. Oh, it's Hustle Baby. So yeah, I'm going to use this one right here.
And you go, baby. At last to my body, so
For my lips today, usually I would just throw on some like Vaseline, honestly, but I'm actually gonna do like a little lip combination. So I'm using the same brown liner that I had used like for my brows. And I'm gonna take this Ruby Kisses. It's called Butter Balm Gloss, but I have two shades. This one is in the shade Champagne, but this is what it looks like. This lip gloss smells so good. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells so good. Okay, y'all, so this is pretty much the finished look. I'm really loving how my makeup came out, y'all. I'm definitely about to take some pictures for Instagram because I ain't really been taking no makeup pictures. But yeah, it came out really, really good, y'all. Usually like every day, I don't wear makeup every day, but usually I will wear these lashes just to look more put together, I guess you can say. But yeah, this is definitely my updated makeup routine. So like if I really did want to put, you know, some makeup on, if it was like a special occasion, I guess you can say, I would definitely do this look. It's super simple. I'll leave all of the products that I use in the description box below, but you can also check out the details as well on my Instagram. At Queen Z. It's 3 E's with the Queen, but it'll definitely be somewhere on this video, and it will also be in the description box below if you want to check out the details on the products that I did use today. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe as well if you enjoyed the content, and I will see you guys in the next video.
I've been spending on business and spending until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you never step or help with none of you killing. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'm whack in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were tripping. We could have been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars?